Human health and disease. Very important topic in biology related with various diseases concerned with human being, causing organism, symptoms and the remedies, or what are the precautions that we can take in order to avoid diseases. Now, first of all, how do you define health? What exactly is health? What exactly is health? Health is complete physical, mental and social well-being. Physical, mental and social well-being is called as health. So when we speak of health, our health will get spoiled because of three reasons. Health gets affected by three reasons. Which are those three reasons? The first reason is genetic disorders. Genetic disorders. Second, infections. Infections. And third one, lifestyle. So these three are the reasons by which health gets spoiled. First of all, genetic disorders. Some of the diseases we get it from our parents. It is called a genetic disorder, maybe hemophilia or color blindness. If our parents are suffering from that, then definitely the disease will get transmitted to the next generation and we call it as genetic disorders. Second one, infections. Infections by different pathogens. Infections by different pathogens. Now, what are pathogens? Disease causing organisms, generally microorganisms, are known as pathogens. So various pathogens, they cause various disease to human being. Now, which are the various groups of pathogens? 1. Bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans, etc. So there are various kind of pathogens that cause diseases, and that means we get infected by this, and that is infection. So we get diseases by infections. Now third one, which is now say first one we cannot avoid because we get it as gift from our parents, we cannot avoid it. Second one, we can restrict or we can stop it to certain extent, it is in our hand. Whereas third one, lifestyle is totally in our hand and we can control it. What is that lifestyle? So the way in which we are living, like our food habit, or you call our exercise, what we do, okay, the way of work, what we do, and our habits, the various habits, then sleeping pattern, all these things, whether we are smoking, drinking, all this, it comes under lifestyle. The type of food we take come under lifestyle. The type of work we do come under lifestyle. So all these are the aspects that is lifestyle. So lifestyle can decide our health to maximum extent. So these three are the main reasons. Now the various diseases, human diseases, are categorized into two groups. See, it is like this. One is infectious disease and other non-infectious disease. Infectious diseases and the other one is non-infectious diseases. Now, what do you mean by infectious diseases? The diseases that spread from one person to another person. The diseases that spread from one person to another person are called as infectious diseases. For example, typhoid. Typhoid can spread from one person to another person. Cholera. Cholera can spread from one person to another person. Then common cold. It can spread from one person to another person. Some spread through air, some spread through water, some spread through contaminated food and water, like this. So those are infectious diseases. Now, non-infectious diseases. The diseases that will not spread from one person to another person, they are called as non-infectious diseases. Two examples we can give. One is diabetes. Diabetes will not get spread from one person to another person. And second one, cancer. Cancer will not get spread from one person to another person. So these two are example for non-infectious diseases. So infectious diseases are very dangerous because it can spread. It can spread to the community also. That's why we have to be very careful with respect to infectious disease. Now, which are the various modes of infections? Then which are the various pathogens that cause diseases? Then how do they get spread? What all method we can employ to control this? All this we can study step by step. Let us make of the various diseases. Okay, generally we suffer from pathogens. Common human diseases, you can call it as, okay, common human diseases. Common human diseases. So what we'll do, for every pathogen, we'll study two diseases, the causative agent and the symptoms mainly. We'll study one by one.